So now what happened to the children of Noah? There are four children of Noah: Sam, Ham, Japheth, and there's the fourth one, Canaan. And Canaan was already gone in the flood. So let's talk about the three sons of Noah alayhi salam, and his descendants. The first one was Japheth, or we say Japheth. Japheth bin Nuh, or the son of Nuh. He was the oldest one, and from his descendants, we have the Turkish people, we have the Tatar, or what we call the Far East, like the Chinese, for example. We have the I don't know their names in English really, the Qabjak, they're called. We have Sherkas. We have the Azgash. Maybe Sister Madiha will help me more in this. We have the Russians, and so all basically the east side or Asian side, those were actually the descendants of Japheth. And don't forget, of course, like the descendants of Japheth or Sam or Ham, they also mingled with each other. So they also married from each other, and they gave birth of other also people or other nations, right? That they are actually mixed. We have Sam bin Nuh, Sam, the son of Nuh, and he was the middle. And from them, from these descendants, we have Al Jaramiqa, and we have Assyrian, which is the Assyrians. We have the Hebrew, the Jews, or the Israelites at that time. We have the Kurdish, we have the Nabateans, and we have the Arab. So the Arab and the Israelites, they call themselves like cousins. And we're going to talk about that when we talk about Ismail alayhi salam and Isaac. We talk about this, and we know that Ismail alayhi salam, he is the father of the people who lived from the in the Arabia, and it's Isaac and his son Jacob. Jacob was also the father of the Israelites. We're going to talk about these inshallah next time, or in the future lectures. Then we have Ham is the youngest one, and he became, and from him they were the Sind, or like the Hind, the Indians. We have the Habasha, or the African or the darker skin. We have Anuba, which is like south of Egypt, north of Sudan. We have Azinj, the Africans. We have Al Qut, that they lived like far in the West Europe, that they used to be tribes, the tribals. We have Hind, we have the Canaanites, we have the Zuwela, and those lived in, or until now, they live in the West and South Africa. So in conclusion, we know that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala blessed Nuh alayhi salam with a lot of children. After his three children, of course, they gave more children, and they became nations afterward.